You want to hold it?
No.
No?
No.
You can hold it if you want to.
No.
Okay. You go in front, go straight, and I'll stay behind you, okay?
Where to go?
Dead straight. And remember, when we go across the hill, get rid of the pizza, we go nice and french fries. Yeah, set. It's okay, do you want me to go in front and you can just follow me? Okay, we're going to go to the top of the yellow and then we're going to see if we can do a slide again, okay? Oh, the next one. Okay, so try and put your skis next to me again. And we're going to see if we can slide. Keep our skis nice and straight. It's okay. Keep our skis nice and straight together. See if we can slide down again. Yeah, without doing a pizza if you can. It's okay. Okay, put your skis nice and straight.
I can't.
I've got you. Yeah, you can. Go on, hold on to me. Then move your left foot. That's it.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, you got it? And see if we can slide like this. That's okay, that was a good try. We'll go again. Once we get to a steep bit, we'll try again, okay? You ready? Okay, we'll try one more time here and then we go for a ski, okay? So we're trying to put our knees like this and then we straighten them and then we slide. Yeah. Okay, that was a good try. Okay, let's go for some ski. Okay. Straight across the hill. To the pizza. You okay? Is that happy, Estelle? Okay.
It's not on.
It is on.
I don't see myself.
It's okay. It flashes red.
Is it supposed to be blinking red?
Blinking red, yeah. So I'm going to do my turn. And then once I'm here, I'm going to get my skis nice and straight. Nice and dead straight. I'm going to make a pizza again. Do a pizza round. And then make my skis nice and straight again. And then make a pizza. Pizza round. And get my skis nice and straight. Pizza. Round. Skis nice and straight. Pizza. Around, skis nice and straight. Pizza. Skis nice and straight together. Into a pizza. Should we go through these trees? Yeah, it's a little bit bumpy. It's okay. Oh, I didn't make it. Go, 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 super speed. That's okay, I'll wait for you.
Yeah, I'll catch up.
Yeah?
I'll take a look at that.
And skis. Skis nice and straight. Pizza. Pizza round. Skis nice and straight. Into a pizza. Pizza round. Skis nice and straight. Pizza the whole way round. Skis together. Pizza round. Skis together. Pizza round. Skis together. Then we keep doing this the whole way down. See how long we can keep our skis together.